right, we're going to take a look at graphing a system of inequalities, and in this particular system we're going to have one linear equation and one quadratic equation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by graphing my quadratic equation here, or my quadratic inequality. It's not an equation because it's an inequality. And so I've gone ahead and I've determined my vertex and my x-intercepts for the sake of time. So in my quadratic inequality here, my vertex is -1, -4. So I'm going to plot that point. And then my two x-intercepts are going to be -3, 0, and 1, 0. I also know that I've got -3 is my y-intercept, and then I can do the mirror point for that. So it gives me a couple of points to work with. Now I notice that my inequality symbol here is greater than, but there's no equal to with it. So that tells me that I'm going to have a dashed line. So I'm just going to do my best to dash a line here, and it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just going to get my parabola drawn here. And so then my inequality symbol is greater than. So because it's greater than, I have to shade above that. So I'm going to shade this area right here, which would be above that line. So then I'm going to change colors here. I'm going to go to my other symbol, or my other color here for my second inequality, which is linear. So I'm going to go ahead and graph that. So I'm going to start at +4, and then my slope is 1/2. So I'm going to go up 1 and over 2, up 1 and over 2, up 1 and over 2. I can do the reverse movement by starting at my y-intercept. So down 1 and left 2, down 1 and left 2, down 1 and left 2. And this is going to be a solid line because I've got the equal to included in my inequality. Now it says less than, so because it's less than, I'm going to shade below, and I can see if I shade below where it overlaps. So my solutions are going to fall in that overlapped area. So I'm going to pull a couple of solutions out of there. I always look to see if 0, 0 is there. It is. I could have the point, let's see, I could have 0, 1. I could have -1, 2. All of these would fall within the double shaded region. I hope this has been helpful.